Hi guys, today is Friday and how are you doing? And I'm Unconventional Passionss. My name is Sean and welcome to my channel. So do like and subscribe to my channel Unconventional Passionss, even as we go for an adventure today. So today I'll be going to Hainan village at Thomson Nature Park. So this village was dated back to 1930s. So it was dated back to 1930s, and then it will give you a glimpse of how the kampong life is like in Singapore in the 1960s. And yeah, so I think it's abandoned, and so the government built the nature park surrounding the Hainan village. So let's go and take a look. I hope you are staying safe out there, and so do connect with me as well. Thank you. So I also do run a blog called Unconventional Passionss, and it's under here. And yeah, so do take a look at the blog and follow me and subscribe to my blog as well for more content and in-depth reviews of food and also the hiking trails. And so hope you enjoy. So hi guys, it's a sunny day today, and it has been raining the last few days, but today surprisingly, and thank God that it's not raining and it's so bright. Yeah, and it's a good day to walk. So I'm still on my way to the Hainan village. So let's try to explore this park. I read from somewhere it's like 50 hectares big. Spider web. And there's like nobody. So I think it's very quiet. And let's take a look around. So this is the map. And I think if you can see that all these places are where the evidence of the Hainan village is. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going to the Shrimp and Ferns trail, and also to that Ruins and Figs trail. Okay, so these are remnants of that very old bench, if you can see. Interesting. Okay, so I just walked past this. Looks like a toilet. I have no idea. Let's just walk down this trail and find whatever structure that you can find. So another one there. Okay, so here I think they grow rambutan last time. So Mr. Han Wai Tun, famous for his garden in the Hainan village, wanted to create rambutans that could taste like the lychees from his hometown in Hainan. Probably these are rambutan trees. Okay, so seems like it's owned by this guy, Mr. Han. He came here from 1917, worked as a clerk. Yeah, he came from a Wenchang village of Hainan Island, China. Interesting. So Mr. Han also had a rambutan garden supplied with water. Yeah, and then the water source is like in there. Okay, so I found the entrance, a meandering garden path which steps led visitors from the old Upper Thomson Road down the gentle slope terrain to Mr. Han's farmhouse. So this looks like this last time. But the thing is that they have like sealed it off. So I think that was the entrance to the Hainan village. So that was the entrance to the Hainan village. It's rather small, and so there's a lot of rules in the park, and you can't like cross over to this side and then to explore. But then let's go on the trail. The Wongs migrated from the Hainan island, settled in Singapore in 1930s. And then settled in, this is house 21. Oh, I can see it's like a main porch there, they can walk around, that kind of thing. There seems to be a stream over there. I have no idea what's inside. Probably a bathroom with blue tiles. So it's all covered by vegetation right now. I could imagine that children and the adults were like playing around. They were like walking around, strolling around in this part of the village. But it's so sad that that it's all cordoned off right now and you can't even cross the ropes to go in. So all this you cannot go over, probably to preserve the original state or to prevent anybody who to destroy all these relics. This could be an entrance to something, to the guy's house, I think. So this has dropped. This probably was a gate to the guy's house. So apparently there's like different houses got different name. There's like house 25, the Hans house. So this is Hans Bakery. This guy's father was the founder of Hans Bakery. So probably this was where house number 25 stood. So I'm on the ruins and fixed trail. Probably can see some ruins, I think. Interesting. You see there is like some olden tiles. Looks like Nonya tiles. Probably exported from China. I really wonder where all these people have gone to. Anybody know where these people have gone to? Do let me know in the comment section below. Probably you can find out one way or another. Okay, so you can see here, this is Jalan Belang, and then Jalan Pelita. Jalan Belang. Yeah, so you pass by some of all these demarcates, the ruins. Interesting. Guys, remember, do not stray off the trail. What is that though? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a monitor lizard over there near the tree. Okay guys, so I'm finishing the trail at Thomson Nature Park, and this is my first time here, and I actually quite love it because there's not much people around here, and then it's very quiet, and you get to see a piece of history in Singapore that dates back to 1930s, 1960s in Singapore, so which is interesting. So do let me know if you have come here before, and whether do you like it here in the comment section below. Do like, subscribe, and follow my channel Unconventional Passionss, and also all my social media, and also my blog Unconventional Passionss, even as I bring you more adventures. Thank you, and stay safe, and hope you are doing well wherever you are. Thank you.